Picture Post 6 is located on the eastern edge of Roger Williams Park near the Edgewood neighborhood and the Oakland Cemetery. The post is adjacent to Green Stormwater Element 29, which is an infiltration basin with a paver sediment forebay. Polluted stormwater flowing from the roadway enters the structure from a catch basin inlet structure, which then flows through a pipe and into a permeable paver sediment forebay. The forebay is a landing spot for stormwater that slows down the velocity and allows sediment to further settle out. A weir structure is the physical barrier that temporarily slows down the flowing stormwater and lets the water pool or pond upstream of it in the sediment forebay, or the shallow basin. The weir structure at Stormwater Element 29 is a gabion weir, which is a caged basket of stones. Between the stones are void spaces that allow water to slowly flow through it. When the forebay fills up, the stormwater, which has now been removed of much of its sediment, flows through the gabion weir and into an infiltration basin. An infiltration basin is a shallow basin of modified soils where stormwater remains for 24 to 48 hours, slowly absorbs into the ground, and removes contaminants from the stormwater. During cases of extreme or heavy rainfall, when the volume of water entering the inlet structure would be greater than the capacity that the system can hold, excessive stormwater is diverted through an overflow bypass, which then flows directly into Edgewood Lake. The stormwater element has also been planted with native plants and grasses that will provide habitat for birds and other pollinators. With this picture post, we will be documenting and tracking environmental changes to the green stormwater element. Changes to the vegetation surrounding the structure, deposition of sediment and debris in the forebay, and any erosion within the system are things that we are hoping to monitor over time. This information will be valuable to assess the time and costs required for maintenance of green stormwater infrastructure.